baru ada.
We interrupt programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm warnings for southeastern Denton County, southwestern Collin County, and northwestern Dallas County until 6 p.m. A cluster of severe thunderstorms located over Plano, moving southwest at 15 miles per hour. These storms may produce 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and up to nickel-sized hail. Once again, the National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm warnings for southeastern Denton County, southwestern Collin County, and northwest Dallas County until 6 p.m. Severe thunderstorm located over Plano, moving southwest at 15 miles per hour. This cluster of severe thunderstorms is covering a large area of southwestern Denton, southwestern Collin, and northwestern Dallas County. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message.
The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Denton County in north-central Texas, southwestern Collin County in north-central Texas, northwestern Dallas County in north-central Texas until 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:02 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Plano, moving southwest at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Dallas, Plano, Garland, Irving, Carrollton, Frisco, Richardson, Louisville, Euless, Coppell, The Colony, Farmers Branch, University Park, Addison, Highland Park, Murphy, Parker, Hebron, and Buckingham. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35E between mile markers 426 and 447. Interstate 30 between mile markers 43 and 49. Interstate 45 between mile markers 283 and 284. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.